How to delete your Line account. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Line account. Let's dive right in. First, open Line app. Once you're on the home page, tap on this gear icon at the top right. Tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on this account. Scroll down, you can see delete account at the very end. The thing you should know is, once deleted, your chat history, your friend list, your purchase stickers, coins and all the services will be permanently removed. You won't be able to sign in again using the same account. So once you make up your mind, tap on this delete account. You can tap on next. Just scroll down and just tick mark this all. Once you tick mark it, tap on this delete account right here. And this is the final confirmation message you are getting. So be sure before deleting it and tap on delete. You can see your account has been successfully deleted. Tap on OK. And that's it. Your account is finally deleted. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.